Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about synopsis, the topic indefinite integration. Here in this topic, discuss about integration by parts, methods of integration and reduction formulae. Here, integration by parts. If u and v are the functions of x, then integral uv dx equal to u into integral v dx minus d by dx of u integral v dx whole dx. This is the formula. If u and v are the functions of x, then integral uv dx equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of d by dx of u integration of v dx whole dx. Here u and v are the functions of x depend upon the ilat. Here I is inverse trigonometric functions. L logarithms. A algebraic functions. T trigonometric ratios. And E exponentials. E power x and a power x. Here, if u and u are the functions of any two, for example, integration of x square log x dx. Here x square is algebraic function, log x is logarithmic function. To observe that logarithm and algebra, here the which letter is first, logarithm and algebra. Here logarithm is u is equal to log x and v equal to x square. Next apply the formula uv rule, integration of uv dx, u into u is log x integral x square dx minus d by dx of log x integral x square dx whole dx. Log x integration of x square dx x cubed by 3 d by dx of integration d by dx of log x 1 by x integration of x square dx x cubed by 3 dx. Here x get cancelled, x cubed log x by 3 minus 1 by 3 x square dx, integration of x square dx. Integration of x square dx x cubed by 3, x cubed log x by 3 minus 1 by 3 x cubed by 3 plus c. Then x cubed log x by 3 minus 1 by 9, 3 into 3 9, 1 by 9 x cubed plus c. Here next point to remember, here one small concept. First one, if u and v are the functions of x, u, this is a differentiable function, u is the differentiate, it is cyclic differentiate. U first differentiate u dash, second differentiation u double dash until the differentiation constant u triple dash the constant differentiation is 0. Here V the integral function, the integration is noted by first integration V1 is cyclic integration, next V2, next V3 and so on Vn. Here multiply with V dash V2 plus and V double dash V3. Here also minus plus minus and V triple dash 2 Vn plus. Here the solution of the problem V dash V2 minus V double dash V3 plus V triple dash Vn plus C. This is the solution. One example, integral x square cos x dx, x square cos x dx. Here u is x square, v equal to cos x. The differentiation of x square 2x, 2x differentiation is 2, differentiation of 2 is 0. Here integration of cos x sin x, integration of sin x minus cos x, integration of cos x sin x. Here minus sin x. Multiply with x square sin x. This is plus. Multiply with 2x cos x. Here minus. Multiply with 2 minus sin x. Here plus. The result x square sin x minus into minus plus 2x cos x plus into minus 2 sin x plus c. This is the answer. Next one, integral x power n log x dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Multiply with the log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here to apply UV rule, this is the result. Integration of x power n log x dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next one, integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x f of x plus c. This is all an important relation. Next one, integration of e power minus x into f of x minus f dash x dx equal to minus e power minus x f of x plus c. Next one, integration of x f dash x plus f of x dx is equal to x f of x plus c. These two relations must be remembered. Integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x f of x plus c, and integration of x f dash x plus f of x dx equal to x f of x plus c. Next, integral of inverse trigonometric functions. Here integration of sin inverse x dx equal to x sin inverse x plus root 1 minus x square plus c. This proof integration of sin inverse x dx equal to integral sin inverse x into 1 dx. Here u is equal to sin inverse x, v is equal to 1. Apply integration by parts formula. Integration of uv dx equal to u into integral v dx minus d by dx of u integration of b dx whole dx. This is the formula. Here apply u sin inverse x v equal to 1 integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of u is sin inverse x integration of 1 dx whole dx. Sin inverse x integration of 1 dx is x, d by dx of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of 1 dx x dx, x sin inverse x. Here d by dx of in denominator the differentiation of 1 minus x square. The differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. Here minus value is there, plus minus x, plus into minus minus, by root of 1 minus x square dx. d by dx of 1 minus x square, differentiation minus 2x. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2, x sin inverse x 1 by 2 integral minus 2x by root 1 minus x square dx. This is in the form of integration of f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. This is the concept here. F dash x by, this formula is in the form of integration of f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c, x sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square plus c. Here 2 get cancelled, x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Here the integration of sin inverse x dx equal to x sin inverse x plus root 1 minus x square plus c. And some relations in inverse trigonometric functions, these relations can be proved integration by parts. Here integration cos inverse x dx is equal to x cos inverse x minus root 1 minus x square plus c. Here to observe that these two formulae, integration of sin inverse x dx, x sin inverse x, here plus root 1 minus x square, integration of cos inverse x dx, x cos inverse x, here minus root 1 minus x square, minus root 1 minus x square. Next one, integral tan inverse x dx equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of cot inverse x dx equal to x cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Observe that here minus, here plus, tan inverse x, here tan inverse x is there. Here integration of cot inverse x, here cot inverse x is there. Integration of secant inverse x dx equal to x secant inverse x minus cos h inverse x plus c, and integral cosecant inverse x dx equal to x cosecant inverse x plus cos h inverse x plus c. Here to observe these two formulae, here minus cos h inverse x, here plus cos h inverse x. Integration of secant inverse x, here x into secant inverse x. Integration of cosecant inverse x dx, here x into cosecant inverse x dx. Next one, integral sin h inverse x dx equal to x sin h inverse x minus root x square plus 1 plus c. Integration of cos h inverse x dx is equal to x cos h inverse x minus root x square minus 1 plus c. These are the formula for inverse trigonometric functions. To easy to remember, sin inverse x, integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, integration of tan inverse x, integration of cot inverse x dx, integration of secant inverse x, integration of cosecant inverse x dx. Here to observe that integration of sin inverse x dx is equal to x sin inverse x plus root 1 minus x square plus c. Integration of cos inverse x dx equal to x cos inverse x minus root 1 minus x square plus c. Integration of tan inverse x dx is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of cot inverse x dx equal to x cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of secant inverse dx equal to x secant inverse minus cos h inverse x plus c. Integration of cosecant inverse x dx is equal to x cosecant inverse x plus cos h inverse x plus c. Next, remember that some relations, integral e power ax sin of bx plus c. Here the formula e power ax by a square plus b square multiply with a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c constant plus k. Here the relation integration of e power ax sin of bx plus c dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square multiply with a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c plus k. This formula can be proved by integration by parts. Here one small example. Small example. Integral e power 2x sin of 3x plus 4 dx. Here x coefficient a equal to 2. Here b equal to 3. Apply the formula e power ax e power 2x by 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9. A sin of bx plus c, a equal to 2. 2 into sin of 3x plus 4 minus b cos, b equal to 3. 3 cos of 3x plus 4 plus c constant of integration. 4 plus 9, 13. E power 2x by 13. 2 sin of 3x plus 4 minus 3 cos of 3x plus 4 plus c. Next one, integral e power ax cos of bx plus c dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square. Here a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c plus k. This formula also can be proved by integration by parts. Integration of e power ax cos of bx plus c dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c plus k, the constant k. Here one small example, e power 2x cos of 3x plus 4 dx. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Applying the formula e power 2x by a square 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 into a cos of a equal to 2. 2 into cos of 3x plus 4 plus b, here b equal to 3 into sin of 3x plus 4 plus c. Here 4 plus 9 equal to 13. E power 2x by 13. 2 cos of 3x plus 4 plus 3 sin of 3x plus 4 plus c. Next one relation, integration of a power x, integration of a power x sin of bx plus c dx. Here the formula a power x by log a whole square plus b square multiply with log a sin of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c plus k. This is the relation. Integration of a power x sin of bx plus c dx equal to a power x by log a whole square plus b square multiply with log a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c plus k. Here constant is k. Next relation, a power x cos of bx plus c dx equal to a power x by log a whole square plus b square. Here log a into cos of bx plus c plus b into sin of bx plus c plus k. This is one relation. Next, special types of integration. Here, integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integration of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Next, integration of px plus q multiply with root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Here px plus q is the linear equation, ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation. In these three types, here px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. By using this relation to find a and b, apply in these three types of conditions to find the integral values. Next one, integration of 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. In this case, let px plus q is equal to 1 by t. Px plus q is equal to 1 by t. Take by the differentiation to apply the entire term in t and integrate to find the integrate value. Here, to apply px plus q is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by t, not 1 by 2, 1 by t. Integration of 1 by px plus q root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the linear equation. This is the quadratic equation. Here in the px plus q to substitute 1 by t and find the integral function value. Next one, integration of 1 by ax square plus b square root of cx square plus d. Here to apply x equal to 1 by t, x equal to 1 by t, substitute x equal to 1 by t and differentiate with respect to x to find the integral function. Integration of 1 by ax square plus b root of cx square plus d dx is given. Here to apply x equal to 1 by t to find the integral value of this given function. Next one, integration of px plus q by root of ax plus b. Here two are the linear functions, px plus q by root of ax plus b. One is square root. Integration of square root of ax plus b by px plus q dx. Integration of px plus q root of ax plus b dx and integration of 1 by px plus q multiply with ax plus b dx. Here in these four cases, to apply ax plus b equal to t square, ax plus b equal to t square in the root. In root ax plus b, here substitute ax plus b equal to t square. To apply ax plus b equal to t square to find these four integral values. Here these are the two important relations. Integration of dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, or integration of dx by a cos square x plus b sin x cos x plus c sin square x. In these two cases, numerator, NR means numerator and denominator multiply with secant square x, and put tan x equal to t. Then to find these two integral values. Here one point is, remember, integration of dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Integration of dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x equal to 1 by ab tan inverse a sin x by b cos x plus c. This is an important point. Integration of dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x equal to 1 by ab tan inverse of a sin x by b cos x plus c. Next one, integration of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x dx. Here a cos x plus b sin x equal to a into d by dx of denominator c cos x plus d sin x plus b into denominator c cos x plus d sin x. Here the numerator a cos x plus b sin x equal to a into d by dx of c cos x plus d sin x plus b into c cos x plus d sin x. By using these relation to find capital A and capital B values and also to find the entire integral functions. In this integration function, one point, very easy point, integration of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x dx. One point is, remember, here cos x coefficient is a, here cos x coefficient is c, multiply ac plus sin x coefficient numerator b in denominator sin x coefficient d, bd by c square plus d square into x plus here in numerator cos x coefficient a, sin x coefficient b, numerator, denominator cos x coefficient c, sin x coefficient d. Here to multiply AD minus BC form, AD minus BC in denominator c square plus d square is equal to log mod denominator value c cos x plus d sin x plus k. This is an important point. You remember, integration of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x dx. Here numerator cos x coefficient a, sin x coefficient b, in denominator cos x coefficient c, sin x coefficient d. Here first term ac plus bd by c square plus d square x plus ad minus bc by c square plus d square log mod c cos x plus d sin x plus k. Here a small example, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. Here I have to apply the formula AC 2 into 4 8 minus into plus minus 3 into 5 15 minus 15 by c square 4 square 16 5 square 25 x plus AD minus BC 2 into 5 10 4 into 3 12 minus 12 here minus plus 12 by c square 4 square 16 5 square 25 log mod denominator 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c 8 minus 15 minus 7 by 6 by 11 40 16 plus 25 41 x plus 10 plus 12 22 by 41 log mod 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c. Here in this video discuss about integration by parts and special type of integrations. Next video discuss about integrations using partial fractions. In this case also 3 or 4 short formulas are there, and also explaining the reduction formulae. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.